Hey, what's going on, guys? Dan here with you. In this video, we're going to go over the latest price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so just some quick news. It looks like some of you guys may already seen this, but yesterday Gemini did list Shiba Inu on their exchange. So that is a very good bullish news. And I'm not sure how accurate this is or not, but I just did a quick search on how big Gemini is. According to Google over here, says Gemini is around 13.6 million users, and comparatively, Binance is around 13.5. It looks like Gemini does not have as many crypto options that Binance does, but they are a very large exchange, which is very good. So hopefully we'll see some more adoption over there on Gemini and get some more users over there. All right, but back over here on our price chart, as you can see today, we have continued to consolidate a little bit downward. We did come actually down here and hit our 0.618 on our Fibonacci, which we talked about in the video the other day, that we could either break out right here, or if we didn't break out, and we could come back down here to our 0.618. And currently we are consolidating a little bit sideways. We did have a little bit of a minor breakout here, if you would say that. We have come back down and retested our trend line right now, so very close to that. I still do believe this could be I do believe it could be a bull flag. We'll see how it does play out. But of course, this right here would be our flag pole. And this is our channel, which is our flag. So I do see a couple options happening right here. We could either continue to break down here and just ride this trend line down a little farther and maybe get a double bottom right here. This will be our first bottom. And this will be our second one where we do hit the 0.618 area again and then bounce off here. That is an option as well. And the other option is we could just continue trending sideways right here. Then once we get through this 0.5 level, then we should possibly see another breakout to the upside. And I do believe once we get through these levels right here, we will start exploding really good, a lot more larger volatile runs going on. All right, let's go over, of course, short-term targets again. It has not changed since yesterday. Our 0.5 right up here is around the 0.386. That is around the 53.44 area. Our 0.5 is right here. That is around the 52.03, 52.10 area. Next target would be the 0.236. That is around the 55.20. And the 0.61, or right at our zero level, which is the top right here around the last high that we had, that is around the 58.03. And of course, once we do get up through here, the next targets would be the 0.27. That is the 61.27 area. And the 0.618, which is around the 65.45 area. And briefly, we'll just go back over our targets again for our bullish flag right here. So again, I did do two measurements yesterday. First one could be from the top of our flag pattern down here to the bottom. That would be bottom of our quick flag pole right there from the first start of the run. Come over here to our breakout area. And we could be looking right up here between our zero level and our 0.27. That'll be around the 59.65 area. And I do believe a bigger possibility, we just measure the whole way from the top of our flag all the way down to our first one, which would be the bottom of the flagpole, so somewhere around there. And drag this out to our breakout area again. So somewhere right around here. Now target would put us between the 0.27 and the 0.618. That would be around the 62.61 area right here. But let's go over here to our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently our RSI on a 15-minute chart, we are sitting right around the 44 area. Stochastic did come back down. We did get a bounce right here, which is right where you see right here. You drag this down a little bit. That was our bounce that you did see right here, where we did come back over the trend line. All right, and over here on our hourly chart. All right, our hourly, the RSI is right around the 45 area. The stochastic is a little high at the moment. We were in our overbought territory. We are coming back down for a correction. Depends on whether we get a bounce here or not. If we do bounce up here, of course, we could see a bounce right here on the edge of our trend line right here in this area. If we do get a bounce here, then you'll see that reflected over here on our stochastic. That would come up this way. Of course, again, we could come back all the way down on the hourly and come all the way back down here. In which case, let me pull our price chart down. In which case, we just did go over that a second ago. If the hourly stochastic does come all the way down here, right here, We could probably see this come all the way down to our 0.618 area and then hopefully get a bounce right there. We'll see how that does play out though. The only issue I see right now is our hourly chart, which is currently correcting right now. And over on our 4-hourly chart, again, yesterday I did point out that we did have this bullish divergence going on, where we have a lower high right here and a higher high. So we have higher highs going on our RSI, and we are making lower highs over here on our price chart. So this is a bullish divergence, and I do believe we will continue to see this play out over the next couple hours. Hopefully we'll see this come back up here and then head to the upside. So the next 4 hour or next couple of hours to daily chart, I do believe we are very bullish. As you see right here, our stochastic is coming back down. We are close to the oversold territory right here, so we should see this coming back up in the next couple of hours. We probably will come back down here to the very bottom and then start heading back up. So short term, we could be a little bit bearish, just maybe trending sideways for a little bit, and then hopefully we will see the next start of our run beginning, next big breakout. And over here on our daily chart, RSI is currently sitting right around the 51 area. The stochastic is coming back down. We are going sideways right now. So as we said in many of the last videos, we should start seeing the next bull run start. And this will be very explosive when we do start. All right, and let's go back over here to our daily chart. All right, so one thing I do want to point out right here is, let's see. All right, so look at this, look at our pattern down here. This is our last descending triangle right here that we had. And you did see this big run all the way up to right here. And just comparing, look how small this is compared to this chart right here. This has consolidated a lot longer than this pattern did. So this one is going to have a lot more explosion to it when it does go up here. And we should see a much larger run. And of course, over here, we can actually measure this pattern right here to kind of get an idea of where we are heading again. All right, so I'm going to measure from the top. This is just an estimation, but I'm going to measure from the top of our pattern right here and bring this all the way down. And this could be our flagpole right here, all the way down to where we started this run up. And we pull this out here to our breakout area. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, let me drag this out. All right, so somewhere right around here is where we did start breaking out. So right in this area right there. All right, so just a quick estimation. When this does play out, we could be looking at a target somewhere around the 11,464 area, all the way up to our 0.618, which is the next level up, which would, if we do get up here, I do believe we would come up here and go to around the 12,445 area. So long term, this is what we could be looking for. Again, this is a long term over next, it depends on how quickly we get up here, but maybe over the next month or so, just an estimation. But of course, when this does run, we will see candles like this again, which is really awesome to see when we start running up. We'll probably come up here, consolidate, make some patterns, and similar to everything that we've done, just little step patterns, and all the way up to like here. And eventually, when we do get towards the top, you'll see it. We would probably have like a really long blow off top somewhere, kind of like this, where we do go parabolic. But that will be at the very end of the run, and then of course we'll probably see a big correction after that. And it depends on how the rest of the market looks. Depends if we continue, or if we actually start the bear market then. But that is yet to be determined. But again, let's head over back to our 15-minute chart and see how we were looking. All right. So currently on our 15-minute chart, we are getting a little bit of a bounce right here. Hopefully, if we can separate from our trend line a little bit. Of course, we have not come all the way back down and hit this trend line, but this is fairly close to our trend line, so that could count as well. But hopefully, we can actually get a little distance from this, and then you will see a breakout. If not, if we do come up here a little bit and run out of steam, we will come back down to our 0.618. The other option is we could come up here to our 0.5 level right here. And if we can't break through that, then we'll probably come back down and maybe consolidate, maybe to like this trend line area right here and break off. Or if we do come back below this low right here, then we probably will see a retest on our 0.618. But we'll see how that does play out. But as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing and continuing to watch these videos every day. Hopefully we'll continue to provide good analysis. And I did actually sign up on Reddit the other day, but it will take about 20 days before I can actually start posting on there. But if you guys want to, you can feel free to post on different social medias, help us get the word out and grow this channel. But again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I will try to do a video tonight if I have time. If not, I will try to do some posts over on Twitter. And again, you can follow me over at Twitter at @onlycryptocycle. And again, that is at @onlycryptocycle. All right, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And have a good day. Take care. Thanks.